I don't know what this bottle is. All right, this is Nub's Fragrances. This is fragrance number 8 of the haul. It says Together, Cool, Admire, Jazz, Hot, Love, Touch. I don't know what this bottle is. Ramz, Lattafa Ramz, R-A-M-Z. Go Ramz. I like Rams better though. All right. I don't know. Like it? Don't? Not sure. What are your thoughts? It feels like they're trying to be hip. Is hip the word nowadays? I don't know. Feels like they're trying to be cool. And they're like, hey, let's just throw some cliche words on the bottle and see if people like it. It works for big brands. Why not us? Okay, atomizers, pretty darn cool. Trying to figure out what this is. It's got a really good amount of sweetness, kind of like your 1 million sweetness. This is not 1 to 1, 1 million. I wonder if it's like a clone of one of the flankers of 1 million. Or it might even be 1 million, maybe something else. I know the scent. Oh, it's the worst when you're smelling something and you know back there's something telling you it's this fragrance, but you can't grab it. Ooh, I do like this a lot. I feel like this would be an amazing clubbing fragrance or just standout fragrance, especially in the cooler nights. Say you're spring, fall, and you just want something that'll radiate and pop and just be alluring and just sexy. That is this. Whew. I know this fragrance, but maybe I'll put there or there what the fragrance is. I don't know. We'll see. Post-editing can be a beast. Anyhow, this is Ramz. I think that's what you say. Ramz from Lattafa. This is Nub's Fragrances. Follow me for more information.